Hello, my name is Amanda Gray, and I'm an International Student Advisor at the Queen's University International Center, also known as Quic. On behalf of Quic, I would like to welcome you to Queen's. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the services offered by Quic, including the University Health Insurance Plan. The Queen's University International Center supports international students' transition to Canada and studying at Queen's. We also administer the University Health Insurance Plan known as Uhip, but I'll be speaking more about that later. Quic has a team of professional staff that is here to offer confidential advising and services on a range of topics, including immigration, health coverage, intercultural communications, English conversation, peer support, and more. We offer a number of programs and activities for international students throughout the year, as well as connecting students to university and community partners, providing support for students with spouses and children, and providing common areas for student use. Quic has two student-focused common areas. The largest space is the Ed Churchill Hall of Friendship, most commonly referred to as the Hall. This is a large open area that has tables, microwaves, board games, and table tennis. There's also a smaller lounge area where students have access to tea and coffee. These spaces are used by students for team meetings, gathering with friends, having lunch, and studying. The hall is also used by Quic to deliver workshops and information sessions, such as the income tax sessions, permanent residency sessions, and the Intercultural Awareness Certificate training. These spaces are open to students during our regular office hours, but are closed right now due to COVID-19. As part of our team, Quic has two international student advisors, and we are both regulated international student immigration advisors, also known as RICIAs. This is a special designation that allows us to provide immigration advising to international students on topics such as study permits, postgraduate work permits, and spousal work permits. The ISAs also offer a number of workshops and information sessions throughout the year, including the Quic International Student Orientation and World Link. We have also created the International Student Guidebook, which provides information about studying at Queen's and living in Kingston. You can access the guidebook on our website. While we are working remotely, the International Student Advisors programming is available online, including our workshops, and we are holding daily virtual advising drop-in sessions. World Link is a social engagement program that plans events and activities for students at Queen's, including trivia, movie nights, and much more. World Link is busy planning events and activities for the summer, fall, and winter terms. A few of the other workshops that are offered through Quic that I would like to highlight are the Intercultural Awareness Certificate Training, Right Nights, and the English Conversation Group. The Intercultural Awareness Certificate Training is offered in collaboration with Four Directions Indigenous Student Center and is open to students and staff at Queen's. Students who participate in this 5-part series of workshops learn to recognize that gaining intercultural awareness requires a commitment to lifelong learning. This training is offered 8 times a year, 4 times in the fall, and 4 times in the winter. Quic also collaborates with Student Academic Success Services to offer Right Nights. Right Nights are a series of workshops developed for English as an additional language learner, or anyone who would like to gain models, tools, and strategies to feel more confident about making intentional writing choices in their academic writing. Student Academic Success Services offers a number of services, including graduate writing labs and appointments with learning strategists. The English Conversation Group is for students looking to practice their conversational skills and build community. The English Conversation Group meets weekly and participates in volunteer-facilitated discussions. The English Conversation Group is open to all Queen's students and their spouses. The last service I'm going to talk about today is the University Health Insurance Plan, Uhip. All international students are automatically registered for Uhip. The University Health Insurance Plan is an insurance plan that allows international students to access medical services in Ontario, such as doctors and hospital visits, without having to worry about out-of-pocket costs. Uhip is known as a primary health insurance plan because it only covers things such as doctor's visits and doesn't cover prescription medication, dentist, or vision care. These services are covered under the supplemental health insurance. As graduate students, your supplemental health insurance will be provided by the Society of Graduate and Professional Students, SGPS. A couple of quick points about Uhip. International students are automatically registered for Uhip and will receive an email during the summer with information about setting up your account. You can add your dependents, such as children and spouses, to your Uhip plan for an additional fee. Instructions for registering your dependents for Uhip can be found on the Quic website. Uhip is also available for returning Canadians or permanent residents who have to reside in Ontario for 3 months before they are able to set up their coverage under Uhip. You can learn more about Quic and our services by visiting our website. For information about our upcoming events, including the Quic International Student Orientation, please visit the events calendar on the website or follow us on our social media channels, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would like to thank you for taking some time to learn a little bit about Quic. We look forward to supporting you on your journey as a student at Queen's. If you ever have any questions or would like to connect with us, please visit our website for our contact information. And once again, welcome to Queen's.